Revenue Services has been challenging any tax arrangements that may lead to tax base erosion. Sars believe that Coronation fund managers profit from its operations in Ireland should be subject to tax and pursued a legal case for it to pay nearly 800 million rand in tax, which successive courts endorsed. But Coronation remained convinced that it should be exempt from this tax and decided to appeal the Supreme Court of Appeal judgment at the Constitutional Court. The asset management firm has since welcomed the judgment, with the company's share price surging following the news.
I think today, earlier, last I checked, was up about 5%, but it had underperformed, since the last Supreme Court of Appeals judgment, which was in favor of the revenue services. The last few days, obviously, with the rest of the market, did pick up, but if you just look at it on a long-term basis, it has underperformed, and hopefully going forward, it does that start to pick up, given that this risk is now out of the way.
Market analysts say the market seems to have already anticipated a positive outcome for the company.
If you look at the fact that the company share price has moved to between 4 and 5%, it indicates that possibly the market was already anticipating a significant chance that they were going to get a positive, ruling in their favor. Especially when you consider the fact that, all things being equal, the overall sector is up over 1%. It does indicate that the market was pretty much expecting a significant chance. Not a guarantee, definitely, but this is definitely positive news.
Market say this case has provided clarity to JSE-listed companies with a similar business model regarding tax legislation in South Africa. They also urge companies to familiarize themselves with South Africa's tax regulations. Meanwhile, shareholders are advised that caution is no longer required when dealing with the company's securities. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.